So how do we actually move and destroy structures in Palworld? Well, to be able to do so, let's say I want to be able to move this storage chest here, as you can see. Well, what I need to do is that I'm going to enter the building mode here, as you can see, and then I will need to click on because I'm using a PlayStation 5, so I need to click on the R3 to enter disassembly mode here. And then I have to disassemble this one right here. So once I have disassembled it, I will get all the items back that I used to be able to craft that chest. And then what I need to do is to just go to the new place that I want to have that chest in instead. And then I'm going to once again enter the building mode here, as you can see. And then I will need to build it in that new place instead, basically, if that makes sense. Because unfortunately, there's no way to really move it anywhere, but you can do like this and you will get all your, all the items that is required for it. You will get it back and you can just build it easily in the new place. And that is basically exactly how to do this.